Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS GL553V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue many ASUS GL553V users face: screen flickering. This irritating problem can stem from various causes, including loose connections or a failing display panel. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage or even a complete screen failure, making your device unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen if necessary. Let's get started. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the ASUS GL553V over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, you don't want to damage any clips. After opening the device, you'll want to locate the screen connector. This is typically found near the hinge area of your laptop. If you see any loose or disconnected cables, that's likely the culprit. Carefully disconnect the screen cable using your fingers or tweezers, taking care not to tug on any nearby components. Now, if your screen is damaged and requires replacement, gently unscrew the screen from the hinges. Be mindful of the screws, they can be quite small, so ensure you keep track of them. Once the screen is removed, position your new display in place and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the screen cable, ensuring it sits snugly in its socket. It's important to check that no cables are pinched or at risk of being damaged before reassembling the laptop. Now, place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but without over-tightening, as this could strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, power on your ASUS GL553V to verify that the screen flickering issue has been resolved. You should see a clear and stable display. To prevent future flickering problems, ensure your laptop is kept in a stable environment, avoid placing excessive pressure on the screen, and regularly check for any loose connections. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.